Imagine being stuck in traffic for hours despite having an important 10th or 12th board exam. The stress, the pain, it is a nightmare for every student who is appearing for the 10th and 12th board exam. Especially if you are in Thane, the traffic congestion situation is quite unpredictable. So the help is now a call away. In one of its kind initiative, the Thane Traffic Department has deployed total 70 traffic personnel from the traffic department all across the city to help assist the students who are stuck in traffic. This will ensure that the students who are appearing for the board exams reach their exam centers on time. This is after the consistent and the persistent efforts of Shraddha Rai, the initiator of the Justice for Godbandha Road campaign. So Shraddha Rai, along with her team and the traffic department, are ensuring that the students don't get panicked and they don't get stuck in the traffic congestion and reach their exam centers on time. Let's understand the whole system, how these escort services of 70 traffic personnel work. We have with us traffic DCP Mr. Pankaj Shirsat. Sir, 10th and 12th exams are going on. So आपने ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से क्या प्रोविजंस किए टू रेस्क्यू द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ट्रैफिक कंजेशन?
10th और 12th के एग्जाम के लिए हमने अभी जो 10 तारीख से 11 तारीख से CBSE, ICSE और HSC के जो एग्जाम चालू है उनके लिए पहले तो ट्रैफिक जाम होने नहीं देंगे, इसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं और लोग रोड पे लगा रखे। फिर भी अगर इसमें कोई जाम में फंस जाता है तो हर यूनिट में तकरीबन 4 राइडर्स, ऐसे करके 17 यूनिट में 70 राइडर्स, एक यूनिट में 8 राइडर्स है कासारोडोली गोडबंदर रोड पे, ऐसे करके 70 राइडर्स की हमने तैयारी कर रखी है जो कि स्टैंड बाय पे रहते हैं कि उनको कॉल आते ही वो जाते। अभी तक किसी का कॉल नहीं आया है लेकिन हमने अपनी ओर से तैयारी कर रखी है।
सर, जो मेजर ट्रैफिक कंजेशन एरियाज है जैसे आनंद नगर हुआ, गायमुख हुआ, तो वहाँ पे और क्या प्रोविजंस किए हैं?
अभी हम लोग 11 बजे तक थोड़ा सा हेवी व्हीकल्स को वहाँ पे रोकते हैं, पहले 10 बजे तक ऐसा करते थे। अभी एग्जाम्स आ रही है तो 11 बजे तक उनको रोकथाम कर रखी है। फिर सरावली करके है कोनगांव साइड में, राजनौली और वो साइड में, तो वहाँ नासिक रोड पे वहाँ थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम उनको रुका रहे और मुमरा साइड से थोड़ा रुका रहे, तो सिटी में कंजेशन कम आ रहा है।
और सर, ये जो प्रोविजंस है ये जस्टिस ऑफ गोडबंदर रोड का जो टीम है उनके कोलैबोरेशन में है कि ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट का अलग से है?
नहीं, उनका कोलैबोरेशन में ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट ने अलग से हर इसके डिवीजन में भी राइडर्स लगा रखे हैं, लेकिन उनके साथ भी कोलैबोरेशन में रखा है कि घोड़बंदर रोड का या कापुर बावड़ी से लेके गायमुख तक कोई फंसता है ट्रैफिक में, मेजर कंडीशन आज देखा जाएगा तो ठाणे पे मेट्रो और MMRDA का काम चल रहा है तो वहाँ पे ज्यादा कंजेशन है, तो वहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा 4 लोग में 8 लोग वहाँ पे लगा रखे हैं, लेकिन वो भी उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशन में रहेंगे जस्टिस फॉर गोडबंदर। लेकिन और भी जगह है जो कि भिवंडी रहेगा, कल्याण रहेगा, अमरनाथ है, बदलापुर है, कोलशेवाड़ी है, मुमरा है, यहाँ भी लोगों को ऐलान किया गया है कि नंबर दिया गया है कि आप ऐसे ऐसे नंबर पे कॉल करिए।
हेल्पलाइन नंबर इशू
तो 112 जो नॉर्मल अपना पुलिस का हेल्पलाइन है 112 है, वो हेल्पलाइन का सबको यूज करने के लिए बोला गया है।
पेरेंट्स को क्या अपील करोगे, क्योंकि 10th 12th का क्रूशियल एग्जाम्स रहता है, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स?
पेरेंट्स को मैं यही ऐलान करना चाहूंगा कि वो थोड़ा सा जल्दी निकले और जल्दी पहुंचे, टाइमली निकले और टाइमली पहुंचे एग्जाम सेंटर्स में, जो कि उनको टाइम मिले कि एग्जाम तक सेंटर तक पहुंचने के लिए।
We have with us Shraddha Rai from the Justice for Godbandha Road campaign. She and her team have been constantly working for this students' issues. 12th boards have been started, 10th boards are about to start. Ma'am, the traffic department has deployed total 70 officers on ground across the city. So how are they planning along with your team to ensure that the students reach their exam centers on time?
The whole idea is we have circulated a number across the city, so whichever student is stuck up in the traffic, whether it's a 10th class or the 12th class student, they have to reach out on a number. The moment they share us their details, like what we look for from them is the live location where exactly they are. They have to give us their number. After receiving these things, we pass on this information to the PI of the respective area, and PI identify the location, and whoever constable or the officer available, then they connect with the child, and based on that the connection, the student is removed from the traffic, and then we had been sending the student to the college or the school wherever the exam center is being given.
Ma'am, 10th and 12th board exams are a crucial point. We often see that students are panicking. They can't reach their exam centers on time because of this traffic congestion. So what awareness are you spreading and how are you reaching to those students?
See, as if now what we have tried is definitely through the video we have done. Even the DCP have issued the notification. Apart from that, we are reaching out to the schools as well to inform them in case if they get stuck up, then they can reach out to us. But apart from that, we really request them also to please consider certain time period that there can be a traffic. Definitely we are there to help them out, but they have to keep that a buffer time and try to go on the bike, try to avoid cars and all, so that still we can save the time and can drop them on the center.
Ma'am, how much team members from your team are working on the ground? Because during the Justice for Ghodbunder Road whole campaign, we have seen people from your team constantly monitoring the traffic situation also. So is that happening in this exam case also?
Absolutely, we have 11 core members, plus we have the warrior teams also. Apart from that, we have approximately 18 to 19 WhatsApp group. Through that group also, people just come to us. They volunteers are as per the time they have. So overall, it is a good team efforts which is continue, and it will continue.
Certain areas like the Anand Nagar or the Kaimuk, these are experiencing heavy traffic jams. So what kind of measures need to be taken to control the situation?
See, since working for past 6 months, what I have realized, there is no one particular reason for the traffic. There's a mix of issues which are actually creating a traffic jam in the city. Whether you consider the heavy vehicle movement, or you take the potholes or the road conditions, or people are not following the traffic rules, breaking the signals, then you go haywire. Some heavy vehicles or the buses, they get into the service road. Plus, apart from that, there is a multiple work, civil work which is going on, like MMRT, metro work is there. Then the service road digging is going on because the service road is getting merged. Plus, there is a digging of the ducts are there where the new water pipelines are coming up. So it's a mixed combination.